There have been times where I've thought maybe I wasn't so wise to become a structural geologist when I found some concepts or ways of doing things to be difficult.
How did you solve that problem when you thought that you were not good enough?
I would say that you just have to calm down and realize that you don't have to be a rock star every day of your life. You just need to do what you can do, and doing something is better than doing nothing. So, if you're struggling a bit, do something. It's like writing papers. People have this writer's block. Write something. Even if you don't like it, then write something else, then draw a diagram, and then, do something else for a bit, and then come back to it, and maybe you change it. And before you know it, you've actually started to get things organized, and you've started to put something together, rather than sitting and thinking or writing something and then screwing it up, writing something, crossing it out, deleting it, paste, whatever you want to do, but in this modern era. But yes, so something like realizing that you don't have to be everything all the time. And if there is something, that you don't understand, well, these days there's so many resources. And failing that, just go and ask somebody that does know and say, look, I'm struggling with this concept, and can you help me? So that's something that I've done.